In this video, you'll learn how to use preset styles in Divi. Divi presets allow you to save the style of a module as a preset style for future use. This saves you valuable time when designing layouts. If the style needs to be changed, simply edit it and the change will be applied to the entire site. As you can see here, I'm on this page. You can see two buttons here. Now the aim here is to apply the styles from one button to another. As soon as I make changes to the first button, the style should automatically be copied for the second button as well. To do so, let's move to the button settings. At the top, you'll see Preset Default. Click on it to open up a pop-up window. Click on Add New Preset, and here give the name to your preset. You can also set this preset as default. Once done, simply save the changes. Now let's move to the second button settings. At the top, you'll see Preset Default. Select the preset that we created a few steps back. And once done, simply save the changes. Now let's style the first button and see how it works. Move to its settings. Simply edit the preset like this. And here you can make the changes as per your need. Moving to the Design tab to style the button, you can see various settings here which you can configure. Under the text, you can make text-related changes. Select the text color. Under the Button tab, you can use a custom style for the button by enabling it. You can set the button text size and edit the button text color. Set the button background color like this. You can even set the gradient background like this. Various other settings are available here. You can also change the button icon like this. Once everything is in place, simply save the changes. Reconfirm the same. And you can see the changes made to the first button automatically applied to the second button as well. This is how easy it is to use the preset style in Divi. Now, you can also learn some amazing Elementor tricks and tips. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.